Hello friends, good day to all of you. Today's recipe is a simple and easy salad without any heavy dressing. Sometimes we like to avoid those rich and creamy dressings, so this is the salad you should try. It's potato and parsley salad. Potatoes we always have at home, and parsley is the herb which is easily available always. So just toss them together and your salad is ready with just simple flavoring to add to it. So let's proceed to make this potato and parsley salad. We have taken 4 potatoes boiled and cut into pieces, 1 cup of parsley finely chopped, half teaspoon of freshly crushed black pepper, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of roasted flax seeds powder, and quarter teaspoon of celery seeds. These celery seeds are very flavorful. You can easily find them online. They add very good flavor to soups and salads. Then we have 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. You could use lemon juice also instead. Now transfer the boiled potato pieces into a larger bowl so that it's easy to mix everything. Now add the chopped parsley. Add as much as you like. We get 2 types of parsley, curly and flat leaf. You can use any one that's available. Both taste the same. Now add all the seasonings. And the vinegar, olive oil. Give everything a nice gentle toss carefully so that the potatoes pieces don't break. This is a very simple and light salad for those who avoid all those creamy dressings. Here the salad is ready. Let's dish it out. Parsley also provides great nutritional value and has many health benefits. It has got a mild, bitter flavor, but it pairs well with many recipes. This salad really tastes awesome. Make it and enjoy with your family. You can pair it along with the soup or grilled meats. I hope you like this recipe. Do share your feedback. Friends, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and click the bell icon to get notifications about the new uploads. See you soon with a new recipe. You can also check out some of these old videos in case you have missed them. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.